So, as you know, I got my Royal Enfield Bear 650, and with it, I got this. So I thought I'd unbox it and see what's inside. So let's have a look. Nice little Royal Enfield box. So, cellophane off, and we'll see what's inside. It's like Christmas. Oh, okay. So on top there is a keyring. Royal Enfield keyring in like a leather style. That's quite nice. Nice chunky clasp. Right, okay. And then underneath that, a pin badge. It's quite nice, isn't it? A lapel pin badge with a lightning bolt on it. I love that. Through a spanner. Loving that. A patch, not that I'll be using that, but a cloth patch, Royal Enfield Riders. Nice. Oh, and a snood. A grey snood. Royal Enfield Styly. Excellent. Loving that. Grey and yellow. And then under here. Ooh. Oh, I do love a mug. A Royal Enfield, I'm not so keen on that, but Royal Enfield Motorcycling Way of Life mug. Ah, nice. There you go. That's not a bad little kit, is it? I mean, you are spending, you know, 6-7 grand on your bike, depending on what bike you get, of course. But yeah, I like that. Nice little touch mug, snood, patch that I'll never use, pin badge, which I really do like, and a nice leather keyring. Oh yes, definitely leather as well. Excellent. Not bad at all. So yeah, there we go. Nice little kit for my Royal Enfield Bear. Now I need to christen the mug with a lovely cup of Yorkshire Gold tea. Cheers.